Forget the map. In 2025, your adventure starts in the heart of the East. Will you confront the epic scale of history and the relentless energy of a sprawling empire in China? Or will you seek refined serenity and the quiet poetry of a culture dedicated to perfection in Japan? One will challenge your perspective, the other will soothe your senses. Which quest is yours? Welcome to Globe Hop, where your greatest adventure is waiting to change you. We're exploring 10 unforgettable destinations. Which ancestor of beauty is calling your name for 2025? And if you feel the wanderlust, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your crew. Let's start the journey. Let's start with China, the empire of epic scale. China is a journey across centuries and landscapes of unimaginable size. It's a land where myth and concrete meet, offering a deep dive into the world's most enduring civilization. This is a journey to find awe and perspective in the East. Let's explore 5 iconic destinations that define China's majestic soul. At number 5, we have the Bund, Shanghai, a futuristic skyline facing colonial architecture across the Huangpu River. This is where you feel the pulse of modern China's ambition. Moving up to number 4, the Terracotta Army, Xi'an, an underground legion of thousands of life-size warriors guarding an emperor's tomb, a truly humbling testament to ancient power. Next up is Guilin and the Li River, famous for its stunning karst landscape where sheer misty peaks rise straight out of the water, creating a view straight from a classic scroll painting. Landing at number 2, the Forbidden City, Beijing, the imperial palace for almost 500 years. Walk through its colossal gates and feel the weight of dynastic history on every massive courtyard stone. And finally, the undisputed architectural wonder, the Great Wall of China. Stretching for thousands of miles, this ancient spine across the mountains is one of the only human-made structures visible from space. It is a monument to sheer, relentless human will. Now let's fly to Japan. The archipelago of refined culture, Japan, is a deeply harmonious journey where neon skyscrapers stand in balance with centuries-old temples. This is a quest for serenity and perfection in an island nation. Let's explore 5 iconic destinations that define Japan's majestic soul. At number 5, we have Dotonbori, Osaka, gastronomy hub, a chaotic, dazzling explosion of street food, lights, and energy. It's a modern culinary adventure. Next up is the Bamboo Forest, Arashiyama, Kyoto. Step into a world where light barely penetrates and the rustle of towering green stalks creates a profound, natural silence. At number 3, Shinjuku, Tokyo. A dizzying, futuristic landscape of skyscrapers, izakayas, and the world's busiest train station. A true testament to Japanese innovation and efficiency. Next is Mount Fuji, the iconic perfect cone of the highest peak visible from Tokyo, representing the spiritual and aesthetic heart of the country. Its quiet majesty calls to every traveler. And finally, the undisputed cultural center, Kyoto's Fushimi Inari Shrine. As you climb the mountain path through thousands of vibrant, unbroken torii gates, you don't just walk through a shrine. You move through a tunnel of scarlet tradition, feeling the quiet continuity of the Japanese soul. It is culture's pilgrimage. The final choice. The journey might end, but the dream has just begun. Will 2025 see you chasing the passionate chaos and epic scale of China, or basking in the bright, refined serenity of Japan? Your adventure starts now. Tell us in the comments, which Asian legend, China or Japan, will be the setting for your 2025 story? Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your crew. Safe travels!